Alright, in this video we're going to have a look at fractions. So what a fraction is it's one number over another number, like 1 over 2, or 3 over 4, or 4 over 3, or 17 over 18. And the number on the top is called the numerator, and the number on the bottom is called the denominator. And what the line in the middle actually means is divides. So 1 over 2 is the same as 1 divided by 2. And 3 over 4 is the same as 3 divided by 4. 4 over 3 is 4 divided by 3, and 17 over 18 is 17 divided by 18. And we can add and subtract fractions. But we have to have the same denominator. So if we have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2, we can add these together. We put them over the same denominator, and it's 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4 over 2. And we know from the last part that that's equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. And we can subtract fractions as well. So if we have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4, then we write them over the same denominator. 3 minus 1 over 4 equals 2 over 4. So we can multiply fractions as well. So say we have a half and we have a quarter, and we want to multiply them together. All you have to do is multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So we'll get 1 times 1 equals 1 over 2 times 4 equals 8. And that's the answer. So we'll try another one. Say we have 8 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 6. We multiply the numerator by the numerator, which is 24. 8 times 3 is 24, and 4 times 6 is 24, and that's going to equal 24 divided by 24, which is equal to 1. Dividing fractions is a little bit different, but there's just one extra step. Say we have a half and we want to divide it by 5 over 2. Then what we have to do is we take the reciprocal of the second fraction, and the reciprocal is just the fraction upside down. So the reciprocal of 5 over 2 is going to be 2 over 5, and then we just multiply. So it's going to equal to a half times the reciprocal of 5 over 2, which is 2 over 5, and then we just multiply as normal, which is going to equal 1 times 2 over 2 times 5, which is equal to 2 over 10. And that's all you have to do for dividing fractions. But you might have seen this expression look different in your exercises. It might look like 1 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. Remember, this line just means divide. And it's just the same thing. It means a half divided by 5 over 2. So you just take a half, and then you multiply by the reciprocal of this fraction, which is going to equal 2 over 5. And then that's the exact same as this. It's 2 over 2 times 5 equals 10. And that's it for dividing fractions. That's all there is to it.